Hi, I'm Kristyn Baraboo, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's yoga posture focus is Cobra Pose, Bhujangasana. This prone, spine-strengthening posture shows up in almost all of our yoga classes and is wonderful for all of you suffering from lower back pain. Cobra Pose strengthens and stretches your back. It improves concentration and it also helps you have good posture. It's great for your reproductive system, helping to alleviate menstrual problems, and helps in the functioning of the liver and spleen. Often students are surprised by how much their heartbeat elevates during the spine strengthening series. However, there is nothing easy about backward bending against gravity, so you can expect a cardio boost during this portion of class. Let's take a closer look to get some tips on Cobra Pose. Form is key here, so line up the fingertips with the tops of the shoulders. Baby fingers line up with the deltoids. So hands not too far forward or too far back or too far out or tilted in and out. Make sure the fingers point straight ahead directly underneath your shoulders. Your legs are the foundation of this backward bend. Legs together, feet together, and hip and leg muscles strong like a cobra tail. Keep a connection between this foundation and the floor throughout. That means push your hip bones actively down to engage your glutes and press the tops of your feet down, feel the legs engage even more. Your posture here starts with the eyes. Where your eyes go, your body will follow. So without moving anything, simply look up to the ceiling. And then inhale and lift your upper body up off the mat, using your 100% back strength. This doesn't mean only use the back strength. For many of you, the chest will not fully come up off the floor. In these instances, gently press down through the hands to lift up a little bit higher. Keep the hands grounded throughout, body weight distributed equal. A common misalignment we see is lifting the hands up off the floor. Notice how the shoulders come up towards the ears. Instead, keep the hands firmly planted and use them as an anchor to stretch your elbows even more down towards your hips, getting the shoulders away from your ears. Another common misalignment is to simply drop the head backwards. You'll notice here that there's a bend at the top of the spine, but not a lot of length through the cervical in this spinal extension. So instead, keep the neck long, and as you go deeper, think about pulling the back of your head towards the wall behind you to get deeper into your backward bend. Eyes up throughout to get that maximum spinal extension. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.